You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these word and name. So there's going to be different pronunciations. If you're looking at how to pronounce the name of the hotel, I believe there are several, but the most famous one is in London. It's pronounced the Savoy Hotel in London and other places. Now in French, this is a part of French Alps and Swiss Alps known as the Savoy. So the French pronunciation and Swiss French is Savoy, but in English, Savoy. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.